Hey there, YouTubers. All right, so I have gotten some pretty cool toys over the years for the channel, and one thing though, I have this laptop that I can extend it to one screen, but I don't have the ability to put it on more than one screen. So guess what? I bought myself, and I think this is going to help me out with a lot of different aspects. I don't know if it'll help me with the channel, but business related stuff, right? So this is a TG triple display USB-C docking station. All right, so this is going to use my USB Type-C connector, and we are going to be able to plug in additional stuff as well as triple display. Now, one thing I do use with some of my high-end graphics cards, I do take advantage of the fact that they'll have DVI and they'll have 3 display ports, and I can, play games and do whatever, right? But with my laptop, like I said, it's another story. So, user manual. So, Tiergrade is the company. 4K triple display USB Charlie docking station. So I can't take advantage of the 4K aspect yet, but at least the 1080p I'll be able to do. So we're going to look at all these connections in detail. So in the package will be the docking station. Let's save that for last. Okay, let's see what's in this box. Probably a power adapter. Power adapter and cord, all right. And there is the cable to plug this in. So in case I lose this, it's good. It's like the one with the PS4 that nobody uses around here anymore. And then we have, these are always useful. Thank God they included this, huh? These things aren't cheap. This Type-C to Type-C. Basically, Thunderbolt 3, right? So, let's get this out. This thing is pretty solid, I'll tell you what. Look at that. Now, I do have a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering, a master's in industrial engineering, and a bunch of other degrees. But when I, check stuff out, I'm always looking at it from manufacturing engineering side. And I can tell you, first look at this. This is one well-built enclosure, right? Shaking around, can't hear nothing inside. So everything is pretty tight in there. Now, what do I see on the back, folks? 2 HDMIs, it looks like. Display port. There is the Thunderbolt 3 or USB Type Charlie. And there's one too. So we'll have to look at that. USB 2.0s. Ethernet. And this is where the power adapter is going to plug in. So, just in case I missed something, you guys can see that. So this one connects to the host. So this will be your Thunderbolt 3. This will be an additional USB Charlie or USB 3.0 Charlie to either recharge stuff or connect, I would say, one of your phones. And so that was just that side. We didn't even look at the other side, folks. So let's go ahead and look at that. Oh my God. This thing's freaking awesome. There's stuff on here I didn't even realize was going to be on here. So 2 USB 3.0s, another USB 3.0 Charlie, headphone, a microphone. So this could be convenient. When you're looking for stuff on your laptop, which can be a pain, it's all right here, folks. You can set that right next to your laptop. Put it on its side. This looks like, let's see, micro SD here, card reader, and micro SD and SD card readers. So that is super convenient too. you know, if this works, honestly, I actually hope this works with my one of my desktops. So there you go, folks. Pretty happy with this. You know, we'll try it out, and I will do more of a review later. This was just the unboxing, let you know what's in here. And hey, thanks for checking out the video. Please like, please subscribe.